an interesting current affairs, that is G7 summit or group of 7 countries. So what is this group of 7 countries and when they have been established and what are the countries in G7 countries? If you see that these are the group of 7 countries, when was it was started? We are going to discuss about group 7 countries. In the recent current affairs, ఈ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ 7 కంట్రీస్ గురించి ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ డిక్లరేషన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. దాంట్లో ద ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ అమెరికా హ్యాస్ గివెన్ ఎ స్టేట్మెంట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ గ్రూప్ 7 కంట్రీస్ ఆర్ నో యూస్. నౌ లెట్ us అండర్స్టాండ్ what are this group of 7 countries and when they have been established. It is an intergovernmental organization that was formed in 1975 by the top economists to discuss about presenting world issue. So at the time of 1975, they wanted to discuss about world top economists, especially about the world issues. At the starting of its birth, it was just the G6 countries. Very, very important topic, my dear students. This is a very interesting topic. G6, how the G6 was established, how G6 was become into G7, and how G7 became into G8, and again how G8 became into G7, and now what is the use of G10 and G11 countries. Now the France is the first country, Germany, Italy, Japan, UK and USA. So these are the 6 countries who started this G6 countries. Then in 1976, the G7th country, that is Canada, was added to G7 countries. And after that, again in 1997, the Russia, that was added into G8 countries. But if you see that every year they used to conduct an annual summit that is presided by the leaders of the members of that country on the rotational basis. But exactly in 2014, what happened? In 2014, the Russia was expelled as a member in 2014 from the G7 countries. What is the reason? Yes, the reason is the annexation of Crimea region from Ukraine. In the next slide, you are going to see where is the Ukraine. So this is Russia, this is Ukraine, and this is Crimea. Now the Russia has annexed forcefully the territorial part of Ukraine. That is why, because of this reason, the Ukraine territory of Crimea was annexed by Russia on 18th March 2014. So this was rejected by most of the countries. So that is why the Russia was expelled from G7 countries in 2014. Now the most important point is this organization does not have a permanent headquarters. The decisions taken by the leaders during this annual summit are non-binding. Very, very important. Now the next question is, in the recent news, that is the 46th G7 summit should be held in USA. But however, the US President Donald Trump postponed the summit until the least September 2020. Now in this you are going to understand the reason behind it. The G7 summit was postponed by the US President because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And he also expressed his desire to expand the group 7 or group 8 into group 10 or group 11 by adding some more countries like India, Russia, Australia and South Korea. So he is also stating a statement that G7 summit is also called as outdated and the India-Russia must join in this group. So the 46th summit should or is going to be held in September 2020. So the 45th summit that of G7 was held in France in 2019. So thank you very much.